Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. See, this issue that is roaming up and down since how many days about the Biafra Republic government in exile. Everybody have their own opinion. So, this our brother has come with his own opinion. Hope you agree with him or you disagree with him. It does not make you guys enemy. Please drop your opinion in the comment section what you think about everything that is going on. And I'll be right back.
To address some things and also let Biafran people to know, and I want everybody to understand that we are here for the freedom of Biafra. We are not here to look at whoever that is doing it, and we are not here to look at whoever that think he or she is doing it. And if we were to look at who is doing it, I will tell you that according to looking at the Biafra Prime Minister, every one of us shouldn't be looking up to him. Because if you were to look at the people doing it, okay, who is doing it? And let's look at the person doing it. That means the Biafra Prime Minister, we're not supposed to listen to him. Because if you look at the Biafra Prime Minister, you understand that there are a lot of people surrounding him that is older than him. But here is not the case, my people. Here is not the case. It's not about who is doing it. It's not about how grown up you are or the gender you are or however you people might put it. It's about who is capable of delivering, who is capable of doing the needful. It's not about who is there or who is doing it. What we are talking about is the freedom of people's life. It's not something that people should be joking with. It's not something that people should use for business. It's not something that people should use for prideness to show how they have been there or how they. If we are to even think of how they have been there, we will tell you about the DOS. We will tell you about the people who have been working with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who have been there, who have been doing it even from Waziri Kedem, let me say even from Odumo Ojukwu. But here is not the case. We are not looking at the people who is doing it or who is actually doing it. What we are looking at is the evidences. What we are looking at is what people want. What we are looking at is the freedom of innocent people. Not where the people doing it or who have been there or who is not there. We are not looking at there. What we are looking at is the thing that we want, which is the freedom of Biafra. So nobody should think that yes, he has been there and today they don't want he or she to be there. No, that is not what you should be thinking. What you should be thinking is, why are you not there anymore? If you have been there, this is my own opinion, I'm not sharing about whoever it matters or whoever it cares. This is my own opinion. In life, once you are in a place you are and you are no more there, first of all, what you should be reasoning or what you should be thinking of, why am I not here? Am I not capable of this particular thing that I'm doing? Or am I not doing it right anymore? You need to be asking yourself questions. You need to be telling yourself what is going on. Ask yourself questions, then you reflect back what causes whatever that is happening. So whenever you do that, you will find out where the problem is relying on. Because if you are to come over here and start saying the person doing it is not capable, or the person doing it is not a grown-up person, or the person doing it is not supposed to be there, that means if you are to say so, that means Biafra Prime Minister should have been there. But what we are saying right now is the people who is doing it, who can deliver, who can give whatever it takes. And moreover, we are talking about the freedom of innocent people. We are not talking about, this is not the time of the DOS, that you call it organization of people, that you call it a group of people that is maybe the profile of a group of people looking for freedom. Let me tell most of you people, even most of you people in the government of Biafra, it's like you people don't even know what people have did. The declaration of Biafra is like some of you people just took it for granted. It's like some of you took it for joke and there is normal. See, let me tell most of you people, the Biafran government, most of you people in the government of Biafra, you people should understand that it's not how you people take it. Maybe you claim you there, you know the story, you know everything going on. Yes, you might take it like that, but we the Biafran people, it's not how you people take it so normal, so nothing. It's how we the Biafran people take it. So anybody in any position, or anybody in any position of taking care of something, and you think because maybe you have right, or you think you have way of doing it, that you can do whatever you like, I will tell you to go and ask all those ones that have been there, the DOS and whoever it have been concerned. Go and ask them. Whenever Biafran people say no to you, no to you. Whenever Biafran people say yes to you, yes to you. And that is exactly what happened to the DOS. During the time of Simon Ekpa is not an IPOB member, Simon Ekpa is not a Biafran, Simon Ekpa is a Fulani, Simon Ekpa this, Simon Ekpa that. This is how it all started. It is started, all of you people were like, Simon Ekpa is this, Simon Ekpa is that. You people started everything. But today, we are giving you an example with the so-called US. Every one of you people in the government, or every one of you people who think you have position to take care of something or to do something for the innocent people of Biafra, and maybe because of one story or the other, you claim you can do whatever. I want people to understand that nobody is going to escape whatever you did against Biafra. Because one day of whom was like this, every one of us will be going back. And whenever we go, we are going to answer questions. We have a question and answers to Biafran government. So nobody should think that whatever is doing today, because you have opportunity to do it, and because you think you can do it, nobody will question you. Put it in your mind that one day, every one of us, you see that place that we are shouting, we are fighting, we are doing whatever everybody is doing, making noise. Believe me, one day, every one of us is going to go back to that place that is called Biafra land. And everybody, anything you did against these innocent people of Biafra, believe me, you are going to enjoy it. So nobody should think that because you have a right, or you are in any position, or you are being called to work for Biafra, so because of that you can do whatever you think, or because of that you think you have that authority to do whatever you think you can do. Believe me, you do it, you can do it. But believe me, tomorrow every Biafran people, we are waiting for you people all. So if you find yourself in any government official of Biafra, do your work. Oh, make you know be say you will think say you can do it. You can ask the people who have failed Biafrans. You can ask the DOS who have failed us. They fail us, and we see it, they fail us, we left them. Now the Biafran government is in charge. What I want to say is that anybody that think that the way the Biafran government is doing it, or anybody that think you was there and you are not there anymore, the question I want you to ask yourself first is, why am I not where I was? Because there is nothing that is happening there. They say there's no smoke without fire. You cannot see smoke without fire, or fire somewhere. So ask yourself questions. If you know, say yes, I have did something wrong somewhere, that maybe where you was, or as your position holders, you were not doing it well. Okay, maybe because of that you are being said you are hereby suspended, or maybe anything at all can happen that you are not in any position you was, and take it and understand it that this is a government of a nation. Anybody that is not doing it right, you will never be there. So don't think maybe because you have been there, or maybe you think that you have the opportunity to do whatever you want to do. Just like I said already, don't think you can do it. Of course you can do it, but believe me, every single thing every one of us did, both the good one and the bad one, for this freedom of Biafra, for the freedom of the innocent souls, anything that any one of us did against these people, God will definitely judge every one of us. I'm including myself because I'm part of it. Any day, anytime. So nobody should think that because you have opportunity of anything that you think you can do it. You can do it. Nobody is stopping you. But do it, and remember that one day, every single thing that anybody is doing against the innocent people of Biafra, you will pay for it. You can do whatever you can. You can do 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, or any year. But believe me, one day you will pay for it. So anybody in Biafran government, you people should understand that is not the way you people take it. If you people take us, the Biafran people, for fool, if you people take us that we are nonsense, we are nobody, we are just making noise, we are there, you people should take us like that. But the way we take our freedom with the Biafran people, we take it so much serious. And anything at all, every Biafran people is ready to offer it for Biafra restoration. So nobody should take us for granted. Nobody should take us for fool. If you are foolish people, if you are nonsense people, you people should call us whatever you people can call us. We the Biafran people, we are saying that anybody that is in any position doing what you are doing, do it right. If you were in any position and you are not there anymore, ask yourself why and what have happened, what have changed, what is the reason of this. And let me say something. According to the Biafran Prime Minister, yesterday, after what had been going on, so-called fundraising and no fundraising, we the Biafran people, we are watching you people, because the story and all you people are bringing out on social media is not what we want to hear. According to Pastor Van, he wrote on his Twitter talking about how the Biafran government, or how, you know, that why I'm saying this is that this particular one triggered me, or to actually come out and be saying all this I'm saying. He said that in his writing that yes, they will actually did what? They actually come up or write up or dialogue, or I don't know how to put this. They actually voted of after the declaration of Biafra, the Biafran government in exile should be dissolved. This is one thing I want to take, and I want to stand on this particular thing. On his writing, he said that Biafran government, that I mean when they say Biafran government, including all of them, the former and the new, They were the cabinet members and they voted of it that after the declaration of Biafra, the government in exile should be dissolved. This is one thing, this is one point I want to pick, and I want every Biafran people to look at this. If the Biafran government, and including you people, voted and put it on the constitution of Biafra, or however you people did it, and said that after the declaration of Biafra, the government in exile should be dissolved, I want you people to go back and check it too. Anybody that is not aligned with the Biafran government or whatever Biafran government have said, including all of you people should go and check it. And moreover, I want to let you people know, say, even Biafra Prime Minister, he never know that he will be called for question and answer. He never know. But one thing you people must understand, that he never know that he will be called for question and answer before the declaration of Biafra. But one thing I want you people as well to understand is that you people, the cabinet members, the former and the new one now, you people sit down and voted that after the declaration of Biafra, the old government of Biafra in exile should be dissolved. All of you people voted it. And the Biafra Prime Minister were not aware. He never knew that he will be called for question and answer, or he will be investigated. To the extent he will not be in the Biafran government declaration, the convention in Finland. Biafra Prime Minister never know. I want you to understand this. Biafra Prime Minister, he never know that he will be called, and all the whole protocols, everything that is being implemented today have been written, and all of you with the cabinet member were aware of it. All of you people sat down, voted on that after the declaration of Biafra, you people are going to dissolve the old cabinet members, and whatever how you put it, we were not there. But according to the story that is coming from all of you people, and after you voted and put it in a place, now the Biafra has been declared, and now they are implementing new government, and that you people all was included and voted for. And today, the Biafra Prime Minister, let me say it again, was not aware that he will be called for question and answer. He was not aware that he will be called for anything. Which means Biafra Prime Minister would have been there on the declaration of Biafra, and also be there after the declaration of Biafra, which means he would have been the one to pass the message his deputy is passing today. That means after the Biafra Prime Minister, the one now, the lady, our chief of staff, is in charge, is the next person. Which means after the president, if the president is not there, in fact is there. Which you people always tell us to abide on the rules. If the chief is not there, the commander, the chief commander is not there, then he's every single thing that you people have seen. You people should stop. We the Biafran people, we are begging you people to do that favor to us. If you people were aware of all these things, because the reason why I'm saying this, I wanted to keep quiet, but with what Pastor Van posted yesterday, that simply means or shows that all of you people, including Pastor Van, you people all were aware that Biafran government is going to dissolve the old cabinet members after the declaration. You people, he made this very clear on his page. So with this, we the Biafran people, what you people are saying is what we are picking from you people, and what we are actually seeing is from you people. That's exactly what you people are saying. We judge you people with what you people are saying, because we were not there when you people were voting. We were not there when you people were saying it or put it in a play that after the Biafran government, after Biafra was declared, you people are going to dissolve it. We were not there. But now we the Biafran people, we are judging you people with what you people are telling us. So if you people, including all of you people, were there, that the Biafra Prime Minister also were there, and you people put it in a play that after the declaration of Biafra, the old government is going to be dissolved, please, you people should stop all these things. I beg, we are begging you people. We the common people, we the people that understand what the freedom of Biafra is all about. It means a lot to us, and we are begging you people in the government, or however you people are going to put it, we are begging you people to just let go of all these things. I beg, because you people were there and you sign it that yes, dissolve the old cabinet members, and you did what? Implement the new one. All of you people were there. And let this not be because some of you people saying all these things that you're saying on social media. Let it not be because maybe your name is not there. Let it be because maybe your position that you were handling is no more giving you again. Let this not happen. Let it not be because of that all of you people are doing this. Because one thing we are judging you people from is because you signed that yes, after the declaration of Biafra, the old government should be dissolved. Will you people sign it? And let it not be because Master Sam Nekpa is not there. You people should not give us this reason that because the Biafra Prime Minister is not there, that is the reason why you people should not dissolve the old cabinet member. Just like every single thing Master Sam can have laid down is what Sam Nekpa is doing today. Every single thing Master Sam can have said, this is how it's going to be, is what Simon Ekpa is doing today. And everything Simon Ekpa said is how it's going to be. And all of you cabinet members, you signed on top of it. You should do it the way the man said you should do it. We don't want to hear all this story. because everything that you people have said, we are just listening to you people, and we are going to judge you people all. And let me tell you people, because we are not going to use because of somebody. Your enemy is not my enemy. Because according to everything that you people are saying, and the story that you people are saying after the chief of staff made a broadcast emoji yesterday, that somebody is now questioning him, how is he going to stand you, saying you still have a friend from Nigeria. My brother, your enemy is not my enemy. And that is it. So if you think that because of chief of, do you think that if somebody be bad person, do you think the person will open up? Imagine Biafra chief of staff telling you yesterday, open up on live that 1,600 people were watching, and even some other platform added. She said that yes, that somebody contacted me from Urobo or somewhere like that, and the person was one of the people that we were schooling with. He contacted that we should move Urobo, and she said that you should go and tell Urobo people by themselves that Urobo or somewhere, some state like that they don't want to be part of Biafra. That is not a decision that you should go and tell his people. And all of people today are judging the woman because she made a comment that somebody she was schooling with called her. So please, what I'm trying to say, or sense I'm trying to make, or even nonsense I'm trying to make this morning, that all of you people were there and sign it that after the declaration of Biafra, the old government should be dissolved. This is all we want, and we have. This is where we are taking it. Or me particularly, I'm taking it from here, because all this why changing of account or no changing of account. Let me even clear about the changing of account. And however, since all this day you people have been telling us how the chief of staff want to change the account and stuff. But yesterday when Biafran people was even asking chief of staff, how are you people talking about Biafran's account and no account? Chief of staff never, he was like, there is nothing. Everybody who want to pay should pay straight where they were paying. If you want to pay, still go to the, because according to the other people, let me say Sona Parawa, former minister of information, according to how they are saying it, he said that they want to, the chief of staff want to change the account to the old account they were paying to. And even when me after all this, I even had somebody we actually calling how to donate, and the chief of staff were telling these people to pay money direct to the account where the Biafran army or the Air Force should be. I mean, the account the defense force is actually handling by themselves, that they should deposit money there and stuff. When you look at all these things, I'm seeing different things there that me, I don't understand it. And one of the things I want all these people, all the people, maybe your name is not there or however, anything that is the reason why all these things happen, please, we are begging you people, go through this, go back to all the documents you people sign before the declaration of Biafra. That is where everything, you people should go back to it and actually change the mindset of all these things that you people are doing. I beg, we are begging you people to focus for the declaration of Biafra that has been declared and do the needful. If any of you people find out that maybe your name is not there or is not there anymore, and because of that reason why, or anything at all that is making you to feel like you are not or whatever, please go and check it, that you were one of the people that signed it, dissolve the old cabinet members after the declaration of Biafra, and that power has been given to this woman to do it. And I want people to understand that the Biafra Prime Minister, he never know that he will be called for investigation, he will be called for question and answer. This particular one, take it, because if it happen, let me say the Biafra Prime Minister were aware that all these things going to happen, maybe it would be like this thing is happening. But Biafra Prime Minister was not aware, and you people, all the cabinet members, sit down and sign it, that dissolve the old cabinet members. Before even the Biafra Prime Minister was called for question and answer, all this document, all of you will have signed it. Now the point people are making right now is that it's not now the Biafra Prime Minister have been called for question and answer that the cabinet member should be dissolved, and people are saying that it's not making sense that the cabinet member should not be dissolved because the Biafra Prime Minister is not there. And the question I want to ask is that, do Biafra Prime Minister ever know that they will call him for question and answer that will lead him not to be present in the convention of Biafra in Finland? Have he ever know? No, he never know. So how come all these things is already documented? The name of the people. Imagine if, because the way people are putting it right now is that if you people are telling us that within these 2 weeks, the Biafra chief of staff have been able to put these people all together, write their name and give them all this stuff. How sensible is this making? Is this the chief of staff that give these people all this position? This position have been already made. Everything that is happening today have been already made when the Biafra Prime Minister was there. And all of you people signed it on top. But today all of you are coming up to say because the Biafra Prime Minister was not there, and that was exactly that happened during the so-called the DOS. Because everything that Maznamkani implemented, put in a place, all of you people, they turn around and say no to it because Maznamka was not there. That was the story. That was the story people give, the DOS give us, that because Maznamka is not there, they are not going to give other people chances, or they are not going to do what Maznamka said they should do. They should implement every step Maznamka said they should took from the beginning. They say no to it. It be the same thing you people now is doing. So if you people respect that order, or or if you people respect that signature all of you people put on, dissolve the old government and implement new one. If you people respect it, you people should calm down and leave everything the way it's going now. You people should actually support. Forget about all this thing is not about position, because some of you people, when we look at it, we find out what are you doing with position? If you were there with your position doing the right thing, will anything touches your position? No. So you people were there, I beg. You people were there and sign it that dissolve the old government and implement new one. You people sign it, and you all of people were aware that all these things were happening. So Master Simon Ekpa, the Biafra Prime Minister, he never knew that he will be called for question and answer that will lead him not to be present in Finland convention, and he never knew that after even 1 week of declaring Biafra, he will never still be there. But everything that is going on now, dissolve the old cabinet member and install new one, has been made, and all of people is aware of it. So please, with the Biafran, we are begging. All of you should just let go of whatever that is happening today, because all of you people we are aware of what is going on today. You know what is happening. The dissolving of old government and implement new one, you know about it. So I beg, we are begging all of you people who is doing whatever you are doing diligently. If you know very well that what you have been doing and your position has been passed to another person, the best thing you need to do right now is to support the person that have took your position. Give support the person, show the person. That is how they change the government. When a government changes, you give the office to the people that have been called for that your seat with respectful and do it diligently. Don't bring all these things, because the reason why I'm judging, this is a judge, I'm judging you people with what you people have said. That you were there when the old, you people were there when your dialogue or when you voted of dissolving old government and implement new one. All of you were there, and that is all we want to hear. If you people were there and all this thing happened, I beg, make una leave the office, give to other people that have been called for the office. We are begging you people, and you people should not make this so somehow that we the Biafran people will actually the respect and the all people have did for Biafra. You people should not sell it because of this particular thing happening right now. You people should not sell it. Because you should see what happened to the DOS. All of them that have fought for the freedom of Biafra spend all their time fought for freedom of Biafra by them. At the end of the day, they lose the respect. You people should not do the same thing. You people were there, sign it, dissolve the old government and implement new one, and that is exactly what is going on today. The Biafra Prime Minister, he never knew that he would not be there to follow declare Biafra or redeclare Biafra, and you never knew that after the declaration of Biafra, he will never be there also. But everything that is going on today has been put down, and that is the reason why after 1 week of the declaration of Biafra today, they have dissolved the old government and implement new government, and that was the reason why they did it in Finland, so that it will not be like after the declaration of Biafra, the chief of staff have gone to a place of staying or wherever she is now. She have just sit down and wrote up something, and she declared it and pronounced the dissolve of the old government and the new one. She did it in Finland in the presence of all of you people. The woman did not leave Finland before dissolving a old cabinet, because if he had thought that she left Finland and go to have a place of staying or wherever she is now and dissolve the old government in that area, we the Biafran people will not agree with that. But this particular one, you people were aware that old government should be dissolved after the declaration of Biafra, and she did everything according to how you people did what, how you people signed it, and she did all this thing in all of you people presence. She did not go to a place of staying that maybe most of you will be like she has selected the people she wants and now throwing other people away. She did not do it like that. She did it in your presence to show you that the Biafra Prime Minister is aware of what is going on. So I beg, we beg you people to let go, support this woman, and anybody that they have taken your office and give to, support that person. Don't be ignorant of what you are seeing today. Don't be ignorant of they are not going to do anything. You are capable of doing anything. You can do it. But don't be ignorant of what is the next to happen. We are begging you people, because we the Biafran people, you people have come up and disgrace us. Even to the extent, look at today. Look at what is actually happening in Biafran land. Since you people should go and mark, since they people started all this saga, doing all this thing, how you people started bring the Biafran forces on social media and start fund this one, fund that one. Since you people started this thing, my brother, a lot of things is happening back home. I swear to God. If as I'm talking to you people since yesterday, some people have been sending me from Ebonyi State, some people have been sending me from different parts of Biafra land, order this platform. Everywhere full up. Information. This morning, somebody sent me another one. Is it Abia State or somewhere where Fulani people, they bring their crop and destroy people rice, even though the people that own the farm is there, they're begging them to leave. All these things were not happening before, but the moment all of you come to social media, begin to disgrace us, the enemy find out that yes, Simon Ekpa is not the true. And for that reason, let's go back and destroy, do what we are doing. You would destroy us, disgrace us, and all these things started happening. We are begging you people should stop disgracing us. If your position has been taken to another person, support the person to manage that position very well. I beg, we are begging you people. This is my own opinion. I beg you people. And according to the Biafra chief of staff, she said that the fundraising, let's talk about that one. According to former Minister of Information, Sona Parawa, I listen to all of you people. We know, say most of us, we don't talk, we'll just come and listen to your people. Until everything comes out, then we know how to put our own mouth. Because of course we are Biafran citizens now, and we have our own right to also talk. Whenever you people talk, we have our own right to also talk. You people told us how the Biafra chief of staff have come up to do what? To change everything, to destroy everything. No problem. But one thing that I want to say before all this accounting should come out, the chief of staff have made it clear that the Minister of Finance have been called many times for meeting. Many times chief of staff have said it, that many times the Minister of Finance have been called for meeting to just come up so that. And the reason why this woman were calling chief of Minister of Finance was because after the old government or the Biafran government in exile were dissolved, or old cabinet member, let me know say what I don't know. After the old cabinet member of Biafran in government of Biafra in exile was dissolved, this woman chief of staff have been calling you, come, let us do everything. This is not a matter of accountability. Everything that is happening before, for example, before you leave your office as an office holder, before you leave your office, you must show accountable to the person, to the next person coming to office. This is how it works. Let's keep hatred, who is doing it aside. Let's say the reality. You people are very intelligent people, even educated people more than we do. But sometimes we that listen to you people, we see a lot of fault. I mean, you people fault. Okay, she called you, say, come, let's talk about the finance, let's talk about some offices. And that is your own office. And I believe when she called you for your office, that is your office, you were managing that office. And after the dissolve of the old government, that office has been, I mean, it simply means that office, you are no more there. And she called you, brother, come, let us do some work in your office. You refuse. You were called many times. According to the Biafra chief of staff, she called you many times, said, come, let's talk about your office, what your office have been doing and what is next to come. You will do what? And remember, your office is one of the office that is most important thing this time around. It's very, very important that you go to her as chief, because let us talk, let us respect those positions. If the prime minister is not there, this woman should be there. And anything the Biafra prime minister were doing, she's now to took where the man stopped and keep on firing down. So if you people are not giving her that respect, according to some people who said in Biafra land they don't allow women to take cola, there is nothing like that. This is not happening in Biafran struggle. Mazinam can make it clear that any time women step into position of Biafra, that means Biafra is not a nation. I swear to God, when this woman, when I start hearing chief of staff, when I start hearing this thing, the first thing that rings in my mind is that Mazinam can say any day in time, women they took position in restoration of Biafra or in government of Biafra, something have happened, something great have happened. When I start seeing this woman, that after the Biafra prime minister, the next person that can speak is this woman. I remember that thing that Mazinam can say. And all of you people today, that you people are rubbishing this woman because it's a woman. You say woman doesn't give cola note to other people, and however you put it, you people should stop. Back to finance minister, your office, they called you according to your office after they did, because before this woman called you, say come and do some accountability or come and show them some things. According to you people, I'm using accountability the way people put it. You say if accountability, why now for accountability and stuff? The woman called you because your office must be cleared. Your office, before the change of government, before the change of your office, you must say something. You must come out and say, this is how everything have happened. This is where you push your office to. And now, because, or maybe they did not inform you that your office has been dissolved. Because maybe if they inform you earlier that your office has been dissolved as well, maybe you would have responded to her goodly. But right now, it seems that you do not know that your office has been dissolved, including the other offices that have been dissolved. That maybe that was the reason why you feel like you don't want to respond to her. And she called you, come, your office need to, something need to be done in your office. You refuse to go. The woman invite you many times, you refuse to go. And mind you that I'm not saying this. We are judging you people according to what you people have said, or according to the information you people are pulling out, and you people are bringing it everything out on social media. We are seeing it. She called you, you refused to go. She called you for meeting, Zoom meeting, all you refused to go. Many times you refused to go. And that is how everything started. Now the woman said, okay, if you are not coming to respond to the meeting, then let us, or she want as the office has been dissolved, then now the next person that have been put in a place should take over the office and start doing the needful. And this is where a whole thing started. You people start calling the woman, say she want to change her account, she want to do this. Why would the woman not change account when you people, the former office holder, refuse to give her intention? Why won't her change the account at the first place? If let us assuming the woman want to change the account, even though she has made it clear that she's not changing anything there, why won't her change that account? That is the most problem that you people have. If the finance minister that have been called for question and answer, just like the way she had been calling you, say come and say something about your office, she refused. I mean, this person refused, the minister of finance refused. And mind you that we are saying it according to how you people bring it to us. You refuse to go. Why won't that woman change that office or your office account? Let us assuming that she's actually trying to change account that you were handling as the finance minister. The question right now is, why won't I change it? Because as a finance minister, your office has been dissolved and you are being called to say something about your office. You refuse to go. Now, the new cabinet member or the new person in charge of your office have come up, who is supposed to start work immediately after the dissolve of the old cabinet member. You refuse to go. All this why you refuse to go. All this why you refuse to go and respond to the chief of staff, to clear the table that this is where I get to, or this is where I am, and what is. Even though you don't know that your office has been dissolved, you will be like responding to her and ask yourself, why is this happening this time around? It shouldn't be on social media that all of people are coming up today to say, why is it happening now? Why is it happening now? This thing should be between you and the Biafra, the chief of staff. And you people do not respond to that woman. And if you people respond to that woman, all of you people saying, why is it happening now, wouldn't have come out on social media and say, why is it happening now? But the reason why you are saying, why is all this thing happening right now, is because you have refused to answer her. Because if it happened that you people responded to her, she would have told you the reason why she's calling you to come and clear her. She would have told you, okay, when you go, chief of staff, you called my attention, or you called me to come and do this or that. Oh, why all these things happening now? Then she will tell you that your office has been dissolved. This is the reason why I'm calling you to come and do this, or this is the reason why I'm calling all this thing, and you will turn it to accountability. Why now the Biafra Prime Minister is not there? That the accountability is not happening. Why you will not respond to the woman when she called you for your intention, or when she called for meeting, that she should come and say something about this? And the reason why the woman is calling you is because your office has been dissolved, and you will refuse to respond to her. Today you will turn everything around that she's trying to change her account. And the question I have for you people is that, why won't she change account when she called the Minister of Finance, who's supposed to respond to her? Why won't she change the account? Because it's not that you people will be there forever. The DOS, where are they today? They were the people who started everything, push Biafra to where we are today. Before the Biafran government, the Biafra Prime Minister, they kickstart from where they stop. The same way, you people today, if you think that you have done enough for your office, you will do what? You will leave it for another people. It's not by force you must hold your office. The office is not for your father, it's not for my father, it's not for your mother, it's not for my mother. Anybody that goes there and you're not doing it right, you'll be bring down, they'll bring you down, put another person. That is all sense or nonsense I want to make this morning. You might call it however you want to call it. But one thing I want people to know is that you people have said everything, and with the Biafran people, we are going to be judging you people with what people have said. And the Pastor Van Van said that they were there, all of you people were there when you said that the old government or old cabinet members should be dissolved. All of you will sign it, that it should be dissolved. And today we don't want to hear because of Prime Minister is not there. That's the reason why you people don't want to hand your office to another people, or because of this, because of that. We don't want to hear that thing. So far you people were there live and signing that the old government or old cabinet members should be dissolved. That is all we want to hear. That is all we want to see, and we are okay with that. So second one, hello, yes, thank you. If you have said it, thank you. I'm being son. Bye bye. So that is our own. We the Biafran people, we are going to be judging you people with all the information you people have bring, and everything I have said, it must sound sensible and nonsense to you. We the Biafran people, we are judging you people with what you have said. So Pastor Van Van with the post he made, this is what I have been waiting for. I have been waiting for this particular one to happen, that yes, officially you people were there and you signed it that the old cabinet member should be dissolved, and Pastor Van Van have proved it. And this is the reason why I'm saying this. If people were there that old cabinet members should be dissolved, forget about the Biafra Prime Minister president or not. Maznamkan is not there, and look at where we are today. Look at where we are today. Biafra restoration and the declaration and the restoration of Biafra. This is where we are today. So if the Biafra Prime Minister is not there, there's somebody that is going to respond after him, and she's doing that. So do the needful and stop all these things. You should look into this and stop it. If you were there when this thing was signed, that is all we the Biafran people want to hear. There is no any sense or anything or any nonsense that you people might come up because of that. Let us forget about Biafra Prime Minister presence or not. If you people were there when they say dissolve the old cabinet member, that is all. We are okay with that. So you people should not put because she's a woman, or because she's whatever you people are going to say, or because of the Biafra Prime Minister not being present, or that is the reason why you don't want to hand the office, please, you should hand your office straight to the people that have been nominated for the office. Yes, that is what we the Biafran people we are saying. Or let me speak for myself. That is my own opinion. We must give that respect to that woman. Even though she's not doing anything, let us do the needful. Let us do the rightful thing at the rightful time. And that is my own opinion. So, the Biafran government have said it. And let me clear one more, that you people say that the chief of staff changed account. Yesterday, a lot of questions was thrown to her. And she made it clear to most of Biafran people that she have not changed any website. She have not changed any account. And let me add my own. If ever she changed any account, it's because of you people refusing to give her or to answer to your office. That is the reason why she changed the account. If anything happen, let me say tomorrow or next, or any time the woman chief of staff change any account, put another account for that website, or anyhow it's going to be, anytime she do it, it's because you people are not answerable to her. That is the reason why she changed it. And every one of us, we the Biafran people, we are going, everything that you people are doing is what we are going to use judge all of you people. That is my own advice. So you people should be answerable to every office. Before mass success, according to those that were suspended, before mass success were suspended, she made it clear that due to him not responding, just like the way the Minister of Information, the same thing Minister of Information did, the same thing the mass success. Remember, we are judging you people with what you people have said. Because when we talk right now, you will say, if you are not there, you don't know anything, you should keep quiet. We are not keeping quiet, or we are judging you people because of what you people have said. We are not judging you because we hate any of you people, or we are not judging you people because we love chief of staff so much like that. No, don't take it like that. We are judging you people with what you have said. Between you, the chief of staff, and how you have said it, that is where we are judging you people from. So I beg, people should do the right thing. It's very, very important. So God bless you people so much. God bless every single one of you people. Agreement is agreement, I beg. So if people were there and sign it that the old government should be dissolved, that is all. You people should understand that, and let us stop being ignorant of it. Because the person who is chief of staff, or the person who is speaking after the Biafra Prime Minister, is woman. Let us not look that way. And I want to inform you people again, or remind you people of what the Biafra of what Onyendu Maznaka have said, that any day anytime women they step into the Biafran struggle or restoration or office of anything Biafra, the restoration, I mean Biafra is not a nation. And it surprised you people today. And with this particular one, Maznaka said it will remain there forever. And that with that one, anybody that is appointed in any government of Biafra as a lady, as whatever, I respect you, because Maznaka have made it clear for every one of us. God bless you so much, and remain blessed. So you people should stop disgracing us. We are begging you people. We the Biafran people, we look up to you people, and we want you people to do the right thing at the right time. God bless my Prime Minister Master. God bless Onyendu Maznaka, the chief of all bone of contention of what is happening today. Biafra restoration, Biafra declares, every single thing that is happening today. The bone of contention, Maznaka, I say God bless you so much. God bless the Biafra Prime Minister. God bless all the cabinet member, both the old cabinet member and the new. God bless you people all, and remain blessed. Bye bye for now. I've did all I can do, because this is all I can do, is to say my own the way I feel like, because I have a right as a Biafran citizen to do it, and I'm doing it. So God bless you all, and remember.
So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. As I said before, everybody have their own opinion about this issue that is going on. So what is your take? What is your own opinion? Please drop it in the comment section, and see you in my other video. Thank you, and bye for now.